It's really good. Soft. I like it.
And there's no sugar in it.
No sugar. Wow. Sugar-free. And I've never had a sugar-free cookie, so that's really good.
He told me he wouldn't eat them.
Here I am.
He even went up and bought sugar for his cookies, not even use it.
Really good. Definitely 10 out of 10.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Honey Bear's Country Kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Heather. So my kids are on summer break. My nephew has recently come to stay with us. And so he has never really had a healthier version of how to make a cookie. So we're gonna make a healthy version of chocolate chip cookies. So follow along as we get started. Alrighty friends, so in my KitchenAid, I wanna go ahead and add my 1 cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of almond flour, and then I want to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder, one-fourth teaspoon of salt. The recipe does call for kosher, but I'm going to use pink Himalayan. And then go ahead and let these dry ingredients get incorporated real quick. So now we have our dry ingredients incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can melt it. Mine is really, really soft. One-fourth cup of honey. One egg. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you want to go ahead and let these ingredients get nice and incorporated with one another. And then after they get incorporated, we'll go ahead and add in our chocolate chips. And we're going to be using Lily's unsweet chocolate chips. We're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of our Lily's. Alright, so I have me a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper. What you want to do is you want to take a tablespoon of your cookie dough and you just want to drop it on here. And I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350. Yeah, making cookies, bub. Almost done. I'm just dropping them on this sheet.
You're done. You're done. You make me.
And these cookies do not spread that much, so I can get quite a few of them on a cookie sheet. So I'm going to continue to fill my cookie sheet, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I got 16 cookies on here. I'm going to put them in my 350-degree oven, and we are going to bake these for 10 minutes. So after these are done baking, I will have all the kids come up and try them. My youngest I know likes them because him and me has made these cookies together before. But with my nephew just coming in from out of state, he's never had a sugar-free cookie that's not made without sugar. So this could be his first time, and I'm not even telling him that they're not made without sugar. So follow along.
Yeah, I'll make Jello.
Yeah, we know you want to make Jello.
Do it now.
Alrighty, guys. So we got them out of a 350-degree oven. We let them cook for 10 minutes. And all you're looking for is for this golden brown color. So we're going to go ahead and let them sit here and cool probably about 10 minutes. And then I'll call the boys up to go ahead and try them.
So, Auntie's baking. I'm going to be testing out her cookie, chocolate chip cookie. I haven't had this type of chocolate chip cookie before, so. And that's really good. It's like oatmeal with chocolate chip. It's really good. Soft. I like it.
And there's no sugar in it.
No sugar. Wow. Sugar-free. And I've never had a sugar-free cookie, so that's really good.
He told me he wouldn't eat them.
Here I am.
He even went up and bought sugar for his cookies, not even use it.
Really good. Definitely 10 out of 10.
Well, there you have it, guys. 10 out of 10. But until next time, bye.
No, next time he has to try chocolate chip cookies on the smoker.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, I guess. Yeah, we'll have to do that. Chocolate chip
He's never
cookies
had
on the
that.
smoker. He's never had that.
Yeah.
Nope. First time with everything for Auntie.
So next time we're doing chocolate chip on the smoker. So follow along for that video.
Sounds good.
Peace.